म्हाका एक गजाल ऑन दॅट पॉयंट आनीक मातशी इतिहासाक गेले म्हणून मुद्दम विचारपाक जाय. आज जेन्ना 16B इतली चर्चा जाता, डू यू रिग्रेट reintroducing 16B?
No, at 16B was introduced at a particular time. आता एक for the sake of Goan people, 16B is case to case change. How many case to case changes have happened under IPB? Just check. There'll be much more than 16B when I did. 16B म्हणते की नाही, 16B is
Why I'm asking that question?
ना मागीर in hindsight I regret because I never knew it could be misused in such a way.
That's the
on
point.
that scale.
Yeah.
कित्याक पयलीं कितें आशिल्लें, even the advocate who represented us was not supportive of large changes. He says no, it doesn't fit in the, because it has to be under the broad framework of the regional plan. See, the regional plan is the main document.
Yes.
I also had the guts to notify the regional plan, but giving space for people's complaints to go through a committee. हे केल्लें आमी.
In hindsight, the way it was used, misused,
Yeah.
abused, you regret.
I regret, which is why I've gone on record to say scrap 16B, even the cases which I have approved. Not only now, before the election.
Yes.
And I continue saying it now. Scrap it म्हणून. तातूंत हे काय ना, आनी त्यो केसी काडून पळोवं येता कोणाच्यो केल्या त्यो.
Correct.
तातूंत खूब असो पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट इज इनवॉल्ड इन इट. पूण त्या टायमार हॉरायझन पिरियडाक 3 वर्सां आशिल्लीं. आमी 2018 16B हें केल्लें, स्टार्ट केल्लें.
The horizon of 2021.
3 वर्सां आशिल्लीं. 3 वर्सां आमी ओगी बसूंक शकनाशिल्ले, स्पेशली बिकॉज मोपा वॉज हॅपनिंग. नॉर्थ गोवान डेव्हलपमेंट जावंक जाय, 5-star हॉटेलां येवंक जाय. दीस वर द ब्रॉड फ्रेमवर्क. सो वी हॅड टू गो फॉर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ क्विक थिंग. वी कुड हॅव डन with only IPB, but then how would you change the zone? Because IPB permission is basically from the investment point of view. It is not a change of land
तुम्ही
use.
म्हणतात, एक गजाल हांव मुद्दा विचारता, माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन, की ही जी लेजिस्लेशन्स असतात आणि अमेंडमेंट्स असतात, विथ दिस एक्सपिरियन्स डू यू एग्री ही पर्सन स्पेसिफिक असपाक जायना? म्हणजे आज थंय विजय बसला, विजयाक तो कॉन्सेप्ट कळटा म्हणून विजयानी अमेंडमेंट हाडली, फाल्यां कोण तरी दुसरो येता, ताजें सगळें इंटेन्शन काडून गुड्ड्याक मारता आनी ताजो प्रचंड गैरवापर करता. डू यू एग्री टुडे एज अ लेजिस्लेटर दॅट नो लेजिस्लेशन और अमेंडमेंट शूड बी पास्ड इन द हाऊस विच इज पर्सन स्पेसिफिक?
Sure. Case to case म्हणटा तें.
हय.
It gives you chance for
सुटकेस टू सुटकेस जावन ATM टू ATM जालें.
Yeah, and it becomes a nepotism. It's a direct case of nepotism. So now the point is, when it was introduced, there was no other way where you could circumvent the provisions of the Town Planning Act to have the change of land use within those 3 years.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it was unavoidable.
It was unavoidable.
But now he has the chance.
Yeah, you are saying scrap it.
Yeah, I'm saying scrap it for sure.
Yeah.
And I'm saying the horizon period of the regional plan is over.
Yeah.